Welcome to M&M E-Institute, where dreams take shape and preparation turns into success. Here, learning isn't just about books. It's about building confidence, clarity, and excellence. Our expert mentors guide you step by step with proven strategies that truly work inside the exam hall. Through interactive sessions and real test simulations, every class sharpens your skills and boosts your confidence. That's why our students achieve 7.5, 8.0, even 8.5 bands and beyond, turning their goals into reality. Because at M&M E-Institute, your success isn't just our mission, it's our promise. So begin your IELTS journey with us today and take the first step towards a brighter global future.